Looking to set up an online store quickly, but unsure whether Wix or Oberlo is the better choice? In this video, we're diving into both options to help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know which platform could save you time, money, and effort when launching your store. Let's start with Wix. It's one of the most popular website builders out there, and for good reason. The platform offers drag and drop ease of use, so you don't need to be a tech expert to create a beautiful online store. One of the highlights of Wix is its extensive template collection, which gives you a variety of styles to choose from to fit your brand. Whether you're selling clothing, electronics, or digital products, you'll find something that matches your vision. But here's the catch: while Wix is beginner-friendly, the customization options can feel a bit limiting, especially as your business grows. You may find yourself wanting more advanced features down the line, which means upgrading to a higher plan or even migrating to a new platform entirely. Next thing, let's talk about Oberlo. Now, Oberlo is a tool specifically designed for dropshipping, which means it's tailored for those looking to sell products without holding inventory. This can be a great option if you're starting small and don't want to worry about stock or fulfillment. Oberlo integrates seamlessly with Shopify, which is another huge plus if you're already in that ecosystem. The platform's main strength lies in its product discovery feature. It makes it super easy to find products from suppliers around the world, so you can start selling immediately. But the downside? Oberlo is not an all-in-one solution like Wix. It's purely focused on dropshipping, meaning you'll still need Shopify to manage your store. Plus, as with any dropshipping platform, there can be issues with shipping times and product quality that are out of your control. The third thing to consider is ease of setup. Wix does provide a more comprehensive website building experience, meaning you can create a full-fledged store with an intuitive interface. However, it's not quite as streamlined for dropshipping as Oberlo is. Oberlo, on the other hand, focuses entirely on getting your products from suppliers to your customers. Setting up a store on Oberlo with Shopify is very straightforward, but you'll miss out on the website building capabilities Wix offers. If your priority is simplicity and speed, Oberlo might be your best bet, but if you want a more complete solution with design control, Wix has the upper hand. Now, the fourth thing we need to address is pricing. Both platforms have free trials, but they operate differently. Wix offers a free plan with basic features, but to access e-commerce features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The more advanced plans can get pretty expensive as you scale. Oberlo itself is free to use, but as I mentioned, you'll need to use it in conjunction with Shopify, which starts at around $29 per month. So while Oberlo seems cost-effective at first, keep in mind the additional cost of Shopify. Lastly, let's talk about long-term scalability. Wix is great for small businesses, but can become restrictive as you grow. Oberlo is better suited for scalability, especially if you plan to use Shopify's more advanced features. However, as your store grows with Oberlo, you'll still face limitations in terms of customization compared to Wix's drag-and-drop features. So, which platform is truly better for setting up an online store quickly? Well, it depends on your specific goals. If you want an all-in-one solution that allows you to design and manage your store from start to finish, Wix is a solid choice. But if your main focus is dropshipping and you don't mind using a separate e-commerce platform like Shopify, Oberlo might be the better option. Here's the thing, both Wix and Oberlo are good, but they each have their limitations. If you're serious about getting your store off the ground quickly and with the best tools to succeed, I recommend you check out the free trial through the first link in the description. After testing all these platforms myself, I found a better alternative that's not just a quick fix, but a long-term solution for your e-commerce needs. And the best part? To our link, you'll get an exclusive deal that's only available to our viewers. So, click the link below to get started.